And now let us hear a message from our Assistant Regional Director for Administration, Fire Senior Superintendent Alan A. Capuzzo.
Thank you. To our ARDO, Senior Superintendent Salbanya, our RCS, Senior Superintendent Fabre, other key officers, fellow firefighters, in UPs, mayong buntag sa tanan. Mura ko gikilabutan ganina when our speaker rendered a song, no? Apin ako kan pagyapon Halloween pagyapon kay bugnaw man kayo, no? Esther, when he rendered song, nakainomdom ko sa permi expression ni Juan R.D. Dueñas before yan tawgon ni si Francis o Father, no? Kung naminaw mo sa iyang speech, no, sakto to iyang gingon, no, ang tanan ang atong profession is a thanksgiving, no, because I still remember when I was the PFM o Bukidnon, si Francis na pa siya sa LGU rescuer, no, kamulo pa siyang apply niya, murag medyo hapit na to sa finishing line ng mga edad, Franz, no, murag last na gyud. I still remember somebody told me that Francis is an ex-seminarian. Not in auto, friends. So wala siya nahimong pare, pero ang iyang legacy mura pug pare, no? He was diverted to some other profession. That's why he labeled that as a thanksgiving. Kaya nahimo siyang bumbero, no? Na rescuer siya, gusto siya sa iyang ambition primero nga magpare, pero wala siya na pare. And again, we are thankful that nag-share si Francis with regards to our spiritual enhancement. So, palakpakan na to ato ang speaker. Based on the instructions of our RD, right after the oversight in the different provinces, no, kuha na lang, isa na lang sa Miss Or. We will be having also our inspection here in regional office. So, andam-andam lang ta mga kauban, because as you all know, one of his marching order when we conducted the oversight is the implementation of the demerit system. And according to him, basin daw mas daghan pa ang mga mag-render of community service dito sa Maigo coming from the regional office kaysa lower units. Okay, matutukan man nato kayo dire. So again, reminded lang ta that he is serious with regards to the implementation of that demerit system. And he even instructed me that every time doon ay malate, especially during Mondays, should be mated with the merit system. So admin, palihog lang ko kung kinsa tong wala dere and dili reasonable ang iyang absence, implement na to. Reminded also that demerit system, no, we are allowed only 15 demerits per month. So naaman na sa try to visit again the guidelines, no, and every offense based on the katong guide sa mga violations, 5 demerits. So in short, 2 ka offense lang atong allowed in every month. And in excess of that, naanay 1 demerit is equal to 1 hour of community service. So mo to ingon ni RD nga para bibo dito sa Manglimpyo sa ato ang specialized training center sa Maigo, sa Wasar. So, muna iyang instruction, and I just, ako lang i-remind sa inyo that dili ta exempted sa inspection. After sa lower units, appeal ang region. Maybe next week, right after sa ang schedule tentatively sa Miss Or is 11 and 12. Mo iyang gipa-schedule ni Superintendent Bacasnot. So maybe it's either the following day or sa next Monday. no? 3:10, 17, ana. Basin Monday kay iyang gusto is after flag racing, mag-rank inspection. Okay. So far maulang na, no, our regional director naasa karon sa Miss Oak attending the state of the provincial address of the governor, and right after murag madayon I just don't know kung madayon siya adto sa Manila considering that medyo dautan ang panahon, and we are also reminded that in some other regions they are already in signal number 4. So sa ato din sa Northern Mindanao, although pisik-pisik ta, but again we should also prepare, vigilant, especially the implementation of the Oplan paghalasa, para basin og naay mo di naman nato ma-predict, no, basig mulihay ang direction sa bagyo maagi sa Northern Mindanao. But when I look at the news kaganina, somewhere lang sa Surigao ang magian, nag-signal number 1 sila. So we're still prepared. Okay, that's all, and have a fruitful week ahead of us. Thank you.
Thank you for your words of wisdom and reminder, sir. May we call on any announcements from different divisions and sections, ma'am, sir? There may be none. Let us now sing with honor and pride the Bagong Pilipinas hymn, to be followed by BFP hymn.
Dahil sa ito ay kinakailangan tayo na magtulong-tulong, ipaunlarin ang mahal na pinagdala.
That concludes our traditional Monday flag raising ceremony. This has been your host, FO1 Sarmiento. Thank you and let's have a safe and productive week ahead.